Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are cleaning my bedroom and I'm going to be redecorating it a little bit more, adding a few things. So let's go ahead and get started.
Love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down here, you make me smile. You're the solution.
So I wanted to start off by making my bed. So I was just changing out my sheets and taking off the gray ones to add the white ones. I love my white sheets, but sometimes I just can't have them on all the time. They are so tough to keep clean. If you have all white bedding, can you tell me how you manage? Because I really want to get an all white bedding. I think it just looks so pretty and it makes a room look so bright and vibrant. So let me know if you have an all white bedding, how you manage it and how you keep it clean.
Never thought I'd meet someone like you. You know you are the reason why I feel like I can fly. Thinking about you day and night. I love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down here, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution.
I have also been wanting to change out our pillows, so I went to Winners and I found these king size pillow inserts because I couldn't find anywhere. They didn't have king size, so I found these ones and they were the only ones, so they were definitely meant to be for me. And then the little ones are from Walmart, but unfortunately they ended up being too small for my pillowcases.
You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are the solution.
Hey, I hope you're doing well. I know it's been a while, but you're still in my head. I wonder if you think about me now and then, like I do right now about you. I wish it didn't have to end, but life is what it is and I will try to mend. Though I'm kinda hoping that you feel the same as I do right now, right now.
So I wanted to give my bedroom a different look. So I wanted to decorate and redecorate a little bit, especially around our headboard. So I took down our wedding pictures. I wanted to move them to a different location. So that's what I'm doing here, just taking them all down. And then I wanted to kind of redo our side tables. I have some contact paper, I think that's what they're called, that I wanted to add on top, since on one side I kind of scratched our table, so it's very, very noticeable and I hate that, so I wanted to take care of that. But before I did, I wanted to give the wall a quick wipe down, and I'm so glad that I did because it was really dirty.
I used to wake up with you by my side, and I would hold you close, look into your eyes. I used to wake up with you by my side, and I would hold you close, close. Tell me now, 'cause I don't know what I'm supposed to do. I just wanna be right next to you, even though I try to get you off my mind. You know that I'm
So before I did anything, I wanted to give my tables a quick wipe down as well. They were quite dusty, so I wanted to wipe them down a little bit before I went ahead and started with the decorating.
I was singing me that song from Friends. Ooh.
So this is the sticky paper that I wanted to put on top just to cover that big scratch on there. I did that by sticking a sticker on there. When I took it off, it completely ripped off part of the side table. So I wanted to cover it up a little bit, and I just wanted to just cover it and not see it again. So this is the paper that I'm using. To be honest, I don't know how good it is quality wise, so I will find out if it's gonna stay for a long time or if it's not. I have been debating to just repaint all my bedroom furniture, but it's just a lot of work. So here I was just showing you the mirror that I wanted to add by the side tables, above the side tables, next to the headboard. I found this on Pinterest and I love it. So I wanted to find the perfect size mirror for this, and I was in and out of HomeSense and Winners just trying to find the right mirror, and it took me quite a while to find the right one. I ended up with this silver one just so it matched those little buttons or pins in my headboard. So then I went ahead and I got this wire for hanging pictures, and I tied it behind the mirror, and I was gonna hang it up that way. And then the measuring is what got me. I mean, it takes so much to hang a picture, and you want to be very, very precise. So it was quite a process. So I wanted to try the toothpaste method. I'm sure you guys have seen it before. It's just to help you know exactly where you're going to put your nails when you're hanging pictures.
They say you're out of my league, but I don't give a damn. No, deep down, I know you want it. You wanna take a leap and jump in. Oh. You wanna fall in love. You get me spinning, wouldn't it be awesome if you just kiss me slowly and had me in your arms? If I could make you see it, baby, would be something to make the starlight jealous up above. Oh, you make me hey, lights go out when I see you moving. Hey, like the air, I love when you groove like that. Oh, hey, could be us kissing in the moonlight. Hey, I'm just saying, if I was your girlfriend. I'm just saying, if I was your girlfriend. Sometimes you think about all the ways I'm making you smile. I know I am what you need, and boy, you're just my type. Deep down, I know you want it. You wanna take a leap and jump in. Oh. We're gonna fall in love. You get me spinning, wouldn't it be awesome if you just kissed me slowly and had me in your arms? Oh, you make me hey, lights go out when I see you moving. Hey, like the air, I love when you groove like that. Oh, hey, could be us kissing in the moonlight. Hey, I'm just saying, if I was your girlfriend. I'm just saying, if I was your girlfriend. Everybody else got it going on. 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 You make me hey, lights go out when I see you moving. Hey, like the air, I love when you go like that. Hey, could be us,
I was really loving how the mirrors looked next to my headboard. So I wanted to give them a quick clean because my fingers were everywhere. And then I went ahead and I started to put back my other stuff on the dresser, and it just looked so good after.
Talk to me, baby, I've been waiting for.
But once I was done taking care of the headboard and the mirrors and all that, I cleared off the bed before I went ahead and started to clean and organize the other areas in the bedroom. So I had to put everything back to their places. And as you noticed, I brought back my big mirror in the room. The little one was just so awful to look at. So this is the mirror that was in my dining room. If you recognize it, it was initially in our bedroom and now it is back. So hopefully I won't take it out again. It's just tall enough for my husband too. He always complains about the little one that he can't see himself fully. So now this one is a really good size and it just looks good where it is. So yeah, here I'm just giving our furniture a quick wipe down. They get dirty so badly. They're dusty and I got my kids' fingerprints all over them all the time. So I like to give them a quick wipe down now and then, every couple of days.
Sing for me, darling, it's been quiet for a day now. Can't bear the silence inside my own head. I keep on hoping somehow we can make this alright. Just keep on trying. Glass after glass, I keep hoping you'll come around. Drowning our fights and whatever can be found, 'cause I've given in to all my
And the last thing that I had to do was to give our room a good vacuum before I go ahead and show you guys how it looks overall. I didn't do too much to change our room, but honestly, just adding those mirrors next to our bed, I feel added something to the room. It made it look a little different and I love it. If you need any inspiration to any room, I highly suggest Pinterest if you don't use it already. Come on, what's wrong with you? Pinterest is where it's at. Thank you guys so much for watching and supporting me constantly. Thank you for always coming back for another video. I hope you enjoyed this one, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up and also share with your friends. If you are new or you just haven't subscribed yet, please go ahead and do so. Hit that notification bell as well, because that's how you will know when I post my next video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.